younger brother. I know him since I was the youth and sports minister of this country. And I cannot forget those days. Despite his father, Leonard, he was then too small. But he came to me because of his game and all sports and all this. So I am too happy. So I have got my younger brother and my sweet and cute brother with Trinamool Congress. It will be very encourageable for a young generation. Thanks a lot, Leonard. Thanks a lot for joining us with the Trinamool Congress.
After this, what is my program? I have to go to Temple. Then let them have the lunch. Later also. And the people are waiting here, the police and others also.
So this is just, we are meeting first time, I think political interaction, the press media. You are so enthusiastic and you will pass a lot. Because now everybody knows that I am in Goa, it is because of you people. So I thank you very much. And it is my proud privilege to meet all of you. So whatever it is saying, I have already said, but sometimes the people, they come from too far. The press media also, the national press also is there, local press is also there, regional press is also there, channel is also there. So I think sometimes they also have some prerogative to meet the people for interaction. Even you can give us some guidance also, some advice also. Even I always trust the press people because you are from the grassroots level. And what you know the information, it is better than us. Sometimes I take information from the press media because they give the actual information and feedback. So I'm just meeting, it's just, can you say that this is a very informal meeting? Instead of saying that formal type of meeting, you can ask me small things because I am not a big man. I am a very simple living man and I know very little bit about everything. So you can ask me, or and also if you have any suggestion or anything, you can give it to me. Because this is not the first time that I am politically interacting with you. There will be so many times I will be coming later there. So you can start from me or Leander? Start from Leander. No, from Leander. If you give your introduction, because I do not, then I can know the people.
Okay, my name is Kenzil. I am president of local organization. Could you tell us how is TMC looking as far as the upcoming assembly elections in Goa is concerned? Any number that TMC is looking that they can comfortably bring?
We have to trust people. Trinamool Congress just started. Since Mr. Peladio and others, they joined with us. But within this short time, everybody knows that Trinamool Congress is doing political work started in Goa and they are taking preparation for the election. I think Goa is a very beautiful state and they will celebrate their 60 years of liberation. And let this year celebrate Nabi Shakal, new dawn of Goa. Let the sun rise, let the sun shine, and let the people smile. Goa have everything with them. What not? Fishing, to tourism, to mines, to sea, to so many things. But the problem is now nobody takes care. It is neglected now. And neglected because nobody is there to take care for the people. Only the government and formation of the government stealing the MLAs. It cannot give you the result. In real politics, in our democratic setup, whatever is the assurance giving before the election, the manifesto, that is to be fulfilled. And political commitment is the main commitment and credibility. Our credibility is our commitment. So I believe that we love Goa, we know their problems. I met the fishermen because I am fishing man. Next time I meet the taxi drivers and others also, wherever civic society also. There's so many times I will be coming. Next also. So face by face I will be meeting the people. And I am very happy that Gender also joined today with Nafiza Ali and Nirmala Deshpande. Thanks, congratulations to all of you. So I think that Goa, there is a let Goa rule Goa. It is not that Delhi से लड्डू आएगा और दिल्ली का लड्डू गोवा चलाएगा. दिल्ली का दादागिरी एक बंद होना चाहिए. गोवा को अपन फाइल में खड़ा होना चाहिए और उसका फाइल उसको ही होगा. हम लोग उसको मदद करेगा. हम सिस्टम बना देगा, मैकेनिज्म बना देगा. जितना मदद करना है. They didn't have problem for the economy, but they cannot manage it. It is totally mismanaged. Otherwise, what Goa has as a small state, हमारा बंगाल में इतना भी नहीं है, लेकिन देखो हमारा 40% हम अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट कम करेंगे. लेकिन इधर में फिशिंग मैन को अभी 30,000 कर दिया, उसका सब्सिडी 50,000 से. एक्सपोर्ट भी बंद है, रोता है. हम चाहते हैं गोवा शुड स्माइल. लेट मी सी गोवा शुड स्माइल. Let the sun shine and new dawn.
Anil from Mohammed,
from the Wheat Maxi, is your party planning to form an alliance with other parties so that BJP can be ousted from power after 10 years?
We discussed this matter so many times for so many elections, but no result finally came out. And that's why let us stand in our own way. And I cannot discuss everything in details in this meeting now, because it depends on situation and everything. And local leaders, we have to discuss everything, and then it's a collective decision. It is not an individual decision, so I cannot tell you right now with this. But if anybody is interested to work with us, we'll be happy.
Are you interested in alliance with Congress?
I can reply to that question.
Mamta ji, I have a question for you. Prashant Kishore has said that another 40 years nobody can defeat BJP. So do you agree with his statement?
It is better why don't you ask this question to him? He is a very efficient man. You can ask this question to him. His question you are putting up to my mouth.
What do you feel?
हमारा पता नहीं है ऐसा उन्होंने कभी बोला. उन्होंने ये हो सकता है बोला कि अगर हम लोग इससे नहीं कहेंगे तो उसी के लिए तो हम लोग करना शुरू कर दिया.
Correct. From that's everything. Mahindra from Indian Express. I just wanted to ask you that a lot of people feel that with the TMC coming into Goa, it's only going to divide the opposition vote further and in turn help BJP.
Do you think that only when TMC comes, only we divide the vote? When the other party comes, you don't ask this question to them? Ask this question to them this time. They have contested so many times. Let Trinamool Congress contest this time. We will help everybody. But don't ask me the question that only there will be any feudal landlordgiri or dadagiri, that only Delhi people will contest the election, no other people, that is not.
How many seats TMC plans to contest in Goa? All 40?
That local party we said, the insiders, we trust on insiders, they will make their policy, they will decide everything, and we can discuss, we can consult, we can counseling, we can help, and it is to be decided together. I cannot tell it right now.
दिल्ली वाली दादागिरी मीन्स आपके लिए बात कर रहे हो या बीजेपी के लिए?
हम सबको लिए, जो दादागिरी करते हैं उसके लिए. It is not possible right now because, like yesterday you have seen Nafiza Ali, Minalini, so many people are joining. So it's a big, there is a big scope of Goa. Let the others also join. So Goa will decide at the time of election. My agenda is very clear. Goa, let Goa, run from Goa. Union of states we want to see, the strong union of states. We want to see the federal structure is strong. We want to see Goa is a potential state and people of Goa from unemployment to a young generation to women empowerment, fishing to tourism. And Goa, the sea is there, big sea. That is the beauty. It's an internationally famous field. Let us nurture that. Goa people should feel that they should pride. It is their pride.
बंगाल से जो निकली गोवा में पहली बार चुनाव लड़ना, क्या इसके पीछे का कारण 2024 के लिए जो आपकी नेशनल एम्बिशन है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर एम्बिशन है, क्या ये कारण है इसके पीछे? इसलिए आप
अच्छा इतने जल्दी से आपको सब बोल देंगे तो बाद में क्या होगा? पूरा इतना क्वेश्चन आज ही मत करो, थोड़ा टाइम वक्त दो.
लेकिन क्या है 2024 के लिए?
2024 में भी कंटेस्ट करेगा? तो 2024 में तो करना ही करना है, कोई तो बात नहीं है. छुपाने को बात तो कुछ नहीं है, हम छुपाने को तुमको माफी कम नहीं करते हैं, हम लोग ट्रांसपेरेंट है. We started working, we will continue to do that.
Reading from Goa, joint December, गोवा में लोगों के अंदर भय है कि टीएमसी पार्टी अगर पावर में आ जाएगी तो शायद यहाँ पे दंगे होंगे. तो ऐसा मतलब
कभी हमारा बंगाल में दंगा नहीं करने दिया तो गोवा में कैसे होंगे? वो तो बीजेपी दंगा कराते हैं, हम लोग तो दंगा रुकते हैं. हम दंगा नहीं चाहते, हम शांति चाहते हैं.
Recently, our posters were damaged, the hoardings and all were damaged. What do you have to say about that?
You know, जिसका कोई कल्चर नहीं होता, बीजेपी का कोई कल्चर नहीं है. Culturally, they are very poor. They are not sound. But Goa people is very cultured people. Bengal, yes, Bengal is very cultured people and others also. So they defense. They have shown me the black flag. The people will be blacklisted politically. We are not going for howling or fighting the battle on the road physically. We will fight the battle democratically and we will defeat them. That's why we are in Goa. We want public are totally disturbed. They have so many problems, nobody is there to take care. So let us work for them.
आपने बंगाल में करीब 30-40 साल की बड़ी लड़ाई लड़ी, फिर जाके आपकी सरकार बनी, अपना संगठन आपने जगह किया, फिर ये बना. क्या कुछ चंद महीनों की तैयारी के बाद आप गोवा में इलेक्शन लड़ने जा रहे हो? क्या आपका अनुभव क्या कहता है कि इतने कम समय में क्या कोई सरकार या फिर
हमारा अनुभव, हमारा उपलब्धि यही है कि अगर आप if you are sincere, you can do a thing within a minute also. Don't worry, आप लोग हैं, आप लोग को भी हम भरोसा करते हैं.
Linked to my previous question, also we have seen hoardings of Jai Shri Ram and
भाई करने दो ना, कोई पार्टी का स्लोगन है, हम जय भगवान बोला, हमारा स्लोगन जय बांग्ला बोलता है, जय भारत बोलता है, हम जय भगवान बोला, ठीक है ना? जिसको जो मर्जी करने दो, कोई किसी का इंडिविजुअल कोई ये होता ही है, करने दो तो क्या है?
Right now there are only 2 MLAs in the 40-member Goa Assembly, 2 women MLAs. So are you going to take any conscious steps to ensure that women's representation increases?
We will work, we will give empowerment on women, because you know this is the only party. It is not the other party who are telling now they will empower the women. In Parliament, only Trinamool Congress, direct, we think we have 41% elected MPs, women MPs. Even in Bengal also there are 8-9 ministers, the women. So please remember that we will give special emphasis to the women vote, more tickets to the women and young generation. Even I will be happy if the taxi driver, farmers, even the fishing community, they also contest the election.
दिल्ली में आपके कांग्रेस लीडर के साथ अच्छे संबंध हैं, तो गोवा में ये संबंध अच्छे क्यों नहीं हो रहे हैं?
गोवा का समुद्र एक रकम होता है, दीघा का समुद्र एक रकम होता है। हम गोवा का समुद्र देखने के लिए आए, तो आपको एड्रेस क्या है?
मैडम, अब्बास रीस के ऑनलाइन मीडिया से गोवा तृणमूल कांग्रेस में युवाओं का क्या स्थान रहेगा?
युवाओं को अपना पाय में खड़ा होने के लिए all the families must get the opportunity to work, right to work will be our motto for the young generation. We want they should stand in their own legs.
We are aware that the BJP government here launched a program on the 8th of October called Sarkar Tumcha Dari, which means government at your doorstep. Do you think it's a copy of your...
It is our program. So if they copy the program and actual implementation, there is a difference. If there is a good thing, you can copy it, no problem. But we have implemented that. Tell them to implement. Because हमने सुना तो ये for the women, the girl child also 32,000 cases they are pending. They are not getting there. One scheme बच्चा लोगों को girl child का जो scheme है, उसमें उसको रुपया नहीं मिला. But you know that in our state, 1.5 crores women are getting Lakshmi Bhandar. Honestly, 70 lakhs girl child. All the students, education free, health free, रेशन free हमारे स्टेट में. रेशन के लिए एक पैसा भी नहीं लगता है. और रेशन हम घर घर पे अभी देंगे. अभी कोई आदमी का डेथ भी होता है, उसमें भी हम रुपया देता है. कि बहुत सारे गरीब है ना, जो कफन भी नहीं दे सकता है, समाधि भी नहीं दे सकता है, क्रिमेशन भी नहीं कर सकता है, उसको भी हम करते हैं. सब even press media you ask, Manideepa is there, of course she is from NDT but she is from Bengal. Even for press media also, we have the free health scheme, ask them.
Ma'am, a follow-up question to my colleagues over there. Is Goa going to be the doorway to New Delhi in 2024?
Goa is a gold mine for the country, that I can tell you.
Just to add one question, will you be contesting Prime Minister?
I allow you to contest. अरे आप करो ना, आप लोग प्रेस मीडिया क्यों नहीं करोगे? आप लोग भी करो, चलो हमारे साथ भी बहुत प्रेस मीडिया है. अभी भूख नहीं ना, खाना नहीं खाओगे? लंच करो, चलो और भी प्रोग्राम है. आप लोगों को लिए इंतजार करेगा ना, आपको मंदिर में जाना नहीं है.
How much you hope to bring change in Goa in the coming election?
There will be a change. If there is no change, then why I am here? What? Bengal Goa have the similarity. Fishing देखो, कितना हम किंगफिश किया, खरीद किया. I have seen the pomfret fish. I have seen the prawn. Just like Bengal market. Fishing देखो, football देखो. Folk song. Hello master, how do you do? I cannot forget that. So there is a similarity. Goa may be a small state, but it's a beautiful state. Let them smile and let them rise the माइंड को मैंने सुना है, माइंड भी बंद है, बहुत सारे लोगों को कुछ नहीं मिलता है। माइनिंग के लिए भी हम लोग पॉलिसी बनाएंगे। वो आपके पास सब कुछ है, लेकिन पॉलिसी बनाने के लिए, पॉलिसी करने के लिए, देखभाल करने के लिए कोई नहीं है। इवन ए पंचायत is taking too much money for a particular work that I have received complaint from the people. Tourism is a main sector for this work, but tourism sector में भी आउट भी करना है, आउट भी करना चाहिए। जितना ज़्यादा होगा इतना एम्प्लॉयमेंट बढ़ेगा। हम लोग will give emphasis to employment generation.
Madam, today the common man is very much concerned about the increase in petrol prices. What is your take?
Everybody, LPG हमने चाय पीने के लिए किया तो एक लेडी रो रहा था, बोलता है कि हमारा LPG नहीं है, हमारा खाना वाना बंद हो गया है। LPG 1000 रुपया हो गया। डीजल का भाव देखो, एवरीडे इज इंक्रीजिंग। पेट्रोल, डीजल, दिस LPG मार्केट प्राइस देखो कितना हो गया। कैसे लोगों का संसार कैसे चलेगा, फैमिली कैसे चलेगा? किचन में अब जल रहा है, लेकिन ये लोग खाली बजा रहा है।
एक गवर्नर ने आरोप लगाया है कि
उसको रिप्लाई फिर न्यूज ही देगा। आपको क्वेश्चन पूछने का पहले मेरे को पता है। भाई I am not saying, I am not here to say about other party. For my party I can tell you. I am not going to say anything about other party. Only except my party.
जिस तरह से बंगाल चुनाव में आपका एक स्लोगन था बहुत बड़ा, पूरे देश भर में हुआ था, खेला हो गए, क्या आप गोवा में भी चुनाव लड़ेंगे और पूरी जोर तो से चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं?
आप देखेंगे ना इलेक्शन का मीटिंग में हम लोग आएंगे ना, फुटबॉल लेके आएंगे, फुटबॉल लेके आएंगे और आप देखेंगे कि हम भी फुटबॉल खेल सकते हैं, इंक्लूडिंग दिस बैडमिंटन एंड ऑल द प्ले। ऐसा मत सोचो कि हम लोग खाली पॉलिटिक्स करते हैं। टेनिस, लॉन टेनिस कितना है, टेबल टेनिस कितना है, बैडमिंटन, अब बैडमिंटन और टेबल टेनिस है, हम बैडमिंटन है।
Sports to politics. What is your next? What is your vision for Goa? What have you done? What are you planning for TMC?
Good afternoon, Naresh. First of all, I am very grateful for this opportunity from Didi. To give you a little history, I was a 14-year-old boy embarking to be a tennis player for our country, and Didi was the sports minister of Bengal at the time. And she was very, very encouraging and very supportive as the sports minister of India to enable a young boy to embark on his dream. The vehicle that I chose for the last 30 years to do our people proud was tennis. I traveled the world for 30 years playing for our country, whether it was Davis Cup or the Olympics or winning Grand Slams. Now that I've retired from tennis, the vehicle has changed. And I would like to come under the same guidance of a very powerful young lady who's run with her passion and also given me the opportunity to serve our people through politics. I would like to make a difference to the youth. I would like to make a difference where my roots are. And that's why I've come and joined Didi in this endeavor, to make a difference to our country as a whole.
And what did you like about the governance in Kolkata that you joined?
For me, Didi is a lady of her word. As she said earlier, she may not be a big man, but she's a true champion. I'll tell you that for sure. My career has been encouraged a lot by Didi, and that's why I'm grateful to her. I've also have my visions on what I'd like to see India as the largest democracy in the world look like. For me, it's about democracy. It's not about color or religion or culture or caste. For me, it's a democratic country. For me, it's the largest and fastest growing democratic country in the world. And I'd like to be a part of that to make a difference as I can.
Now let us join the lunch, please, because we have the other program also. Now, what do you call?
An outside question, nothing to do with Goa, if I may. I mean, a lot of chatter went on about the rioting allegedly in Tripura. If you want to comment on it, I know that some...
You know, how they are torturing Tripura, wherever the BJP government is there, they are not allowing the people to go. They are not allowing people to be in a peaceful manner to stay. Tripura, even wherever our people are going, even including press, They are torturing, every day they are beating the people like anything, they are torturing the people like anything. It is not only Tripura. If you see Tripura, you go the same thing you will see. The Assam BJP government, same thing you will see. You come to Goa, they will deface you. They will show you the black flag. They will talk, they have already started torturing to all people. Like this, if you go to UP, Nakampur to Hathras, UP, wherever you go, they will not allowed to go. Even press people are being killed. They have been also arrested. So this BJP, they don't believe in democracy. It's an autocracy. And it's they have a big autocrat. That's why I'm really sorry to say that their vision is poisonous. They are spreading the poisonous air, polluted air, in the name of so-called communalism as a criminal activities.
বাংলার মানুষ এই প্রেস কনফারেন্সটা দেখছেন প্রত্যেকে আপনি তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের যে যোগদান করবেন কিছু বলুন।
নমস্কার, আমি অনেক খুশি আছি কি দিদি আমার এটা অপরচুনিটি দিলাম। I now live in Goa as well, so my home is here. I was born in Bengal, but at the end of the day, I'm a very patriotic Indian. For me, whether it's in Bengal or whether it's in Goa or whether it's playing at Wimbledon, for me it's about doing India proud. And in that, now living in Goa, I would like to make a difference in my roots. India is the largest democracy, and there's a great vision that Didi has to make sure that it is a very successful nation that we have. For me, I'd like to do my bit in making a difference to every Indian that is out there.
Would you contest if given opportunity to go on?
I think, thank you so much, bhai. Please, tomorrow again we will meet, you will feel both then. There are so many things. So,